Alright, you guys, Jared here. Um, I'm going to be doing a bike check today, so I hope you guys enjoy it because I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. Next, maybe not next weekend, but the 2 weekends after that, I will be out in Janesville, so there will be a video for that whole weekend. Just giving you guys a heads up. Alright, starting off, I got an ODI grips with some Walmart bar-ins. Yeah, I need to get new grips too. Eventually, they're all falling apart. S&M's 11-inch bars. Again, the ODI grip with a Walmart bar in. A Sunday stem. Colt frame. Riding a Shadow Spirity headset. Uh, Walmart forks and a Walmart hoop with, or actually I don't know what kind of hoop this is, but I don't even know what kind of hub that is either. It's a sealed hub. Painted black rim. Um, 48 spine crank with Odyssey pink pedals and a Eastern sprocket. Same on this side, but this side there something that it was wrong with them. I got it from a friend, and they were cracked, so I welded them. And so far so good. They held up. They did not break yet. Um, oh, a Primo seat. Very nice. That came with the bike. Odyssey back rim. The whole rim Odyssey, even the hub is. Let me try to find where it says Odyssey. Yeah, right in there. It say Odyssey. But yeah, nice rim. Um, I'm looking to buy another bike.